Welcome to the Excel tutorial series on the Radiowave Technology Channel. Freezing panes allows you to keep headers or key columns visible while scrolling through large datasets. In this tutorial, we'll use a detailed sales report to demonstrate how to freeze panes effectively. Freezing the top row. The top row contains headers that should remain visible while scrolling. Click anywhere on the worksheet, go to the View tab in the ribbon, and select Freeze Panes, Freeze Top Row. When you scroll down, the headers remain fixed at the top. Freezing the first column. To keep the employee column visible while scrolling sideways, select Freeze Panes, Freeze First Column from the View tab. The employee names will stay visible as you move through the dataset. Freezing rows and columns together. To lock both the headers and the employee column at the same time, click on cell B2. This tells Excel to lock all rows above and all columns to the left of this cell. Then, go to View Freeze Panes, Freeze Panes. Now, both the headers and the employee columns stay visible as you scroll. And that's it. You've now learned how to freeze panes to keep important information in view while navigating large datasets. In the next tutorial, we'll cover data validation to restrict data entry. See you there.